This is Ben, and I have the OXO Good Grips Sink Strainer. This is a very unique strainer in that it has a silicone basket here, which makes it clean out really easy. So it's got a nice big area to collect your food scraps, and when it comes time to clean it out, you just pull on the center part, and this whole basket is flexible. It will turn inside out, allowing you to wash off all of that junk pretty quickly, push it back down in, and put it back in your sink. The other thing I like is that the bottom of this has silicone on around the outside, so that should create a nice seal against the sink. This is really easy to pull. Here's our regular cover that many of us are used to. Down inside there, you can already see the food that has escaped. So it looks like it's going to fit just right. And it almost looks like it's made for it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.